In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable Forms. First, open Airtable in your browser and sign in so you can access your workspaces. From the home screen, you can either create something new or open an existing app where you want to collect responses. If you're starting fresh, a simple base with a table that lists the fields you want, like name, email, and notes, works perfectly. Inside the app, look for the Forms area. This is where Airtable keeps all form views connected to your tables. Click New Form to start. You'll be asked to choose the table the form should write to. Pick the table that contains the fields you want people to fill out. Remember, forms are just a friendly front end for creating new records in that table, so your field setup matters. Give your form a clear name. A descriptive title helps collaborators recognize what it's for and makes it easier to manage multiple forms later. Then create the form to open the builder. Now, personalize it. Add a cover image to reinforce your brand or provide context for your audience. Keep it simple and high contrast so it looks good on both desktop and mobile. Next, edit the form content. Reorder fields into a logical flow, hide internal only fields you don't need respondents to see, and mark anything essential as required. Use field descriptions to add short instructions and adjust placeholders so people know what a good response looks like. If you notice a field is missing from the table, you can add it in the base and then pull it into the form. When everything looks right, publish the form. Publishing saves your changes and gets the share settings ready. Choose who can access the form based on your use case. For broad collection, allow anyone with the link. For internal processes, limit access to your team or workspace members. Double check that any sensitive fields remain hidden. Finally, copy the link. Share it in emails, chats, or on a web page, and you're ready to collect responses. Every submission creates a new record directly in the table you selected, so you can track, filter, and report from the same place your other data lives. Before rolling it out widely, open the link yourself and submit a quick test to confirm required fields, formatting, and automations behave the way you expect. That's it. You went from opening Airtable to creating, customizing, publishing, and sharing a form that feeds your data neatly into a table. If this was helpful, give it a try on your next intake, sign up, or request workflow, and watch how much smoother your data collection becomes.